All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. I wanted to give you an update on the Pixel Watch 3, the 45 millimeter. So you know that I did pick up both versions, the 41 and the 43. Haven't opened the 41 yet, but I will bring you some stuff on it. I have a plan for that. But I wanted to bring you an update on this watch for the battery life. First, before I get into battery life, let's talk about these bands here. This band is comfortable. It's not my favorite band choice. I wish they would give better band choices, but this is what they have to offer, and it's okay. It's not my favorite. I would like another band, but their bands are very expensive, man. The Pixel Watch bands are expensive, no doubt. And if you have a plug on some third-party ones that are under 25 bucks or so, hit me up in the comments, and I'll check it out because I'm not into spending $80, $90 on a watch band. But nonetheless, the band is comfortable, and I feel comfortable, when I get the whole thing wet or shower or whatever, everything's good. The fit and finish is real nice. So let's talk about the battery life. Oof, man. This is the 45 millimeter, and here's my 1 and 2. This is the 1 and the 2. Yeah, those are still good. I have the 2 linked to my Pixel 9 Pro XL. I'll be linking the 2 of the 3, the other 41, this 41 to the Pixel Fold or the 9 Pro XL. I'm not sure yet. So let's get to this video, which is about battery life. Let me just give you the numbers, and you tell me how your battery life is. Now, this is the 45 millimeter, and it has a 420 milliamp hour battery inside. The 41 millimeter has a 307 milliamp hour battery inside. Now, when you go to Google's website, they claim that these watches are going to get the same battery experience up to 36 hours with battery saver mode and up to 24 hours with always on display on. So my usage, this watch lasted right around 38 hours or so, maybe 36 to 38, and it still had 18% left before I put it on a charger. So that's a little bit better than what Google claimed. And the battery saver turns on when it gets to 20%. So I just went on ahead and plugged it up because I knew it wouldn't die anytime soon. It can definitely last 48 hours probably with battery saver in my usage, because I went all that way with no battery saver. So with tons of notifications, just everything. I get a lot of notifications, and it just lasted a long time. And I had it linked to my Pixel 9 Pro. I have it linked to my Pixel 9 Pro. This is the combination that I currently use. So the watch can definitely last a long time. I think this is the smart move. If you have the 1 or the 2, you should move up to this one. I don't know how this one, honestly, I just got this one because I had a bunch of credits left on my Best Buy, and I just got it. I was like, I'm just going to use them for this. So I think if you have the 41 millimeter from the previous generation, I think you should move up to the 45, because this thing lasted almost 2 days. Now, it'll never probably last 3 days like this Samsung Watch Ultra. It won't last this long probably. The hardware is not as good as the Samsung Watch Ultra. The Samsung Watch is crazy. This is some good hardware. I like this band, everything about it. Because someone asked me about this. If I had to rank my watches currently out of the Samsung, the Google, and the Apple, Samsung has the best hardware, and Google and Apple have the better software experience. But Samsung's hardware, now Samsung's software is great, but I just kind of like Google software a little bit better. But yeah, the hardware on the Samsung watch, top tier compared to the other two. Compared to the Ultra 2 and this watch, this is a little bit more sleek. So you can probably, this could go anywhere, especially since I have the matte black and then the black, the Obsidian, everything. So this can go under the radar a little bit more. That big orange band, I need to take that off and get a black one. But yeah, overall, this thing has the best battery life of any Pixel watch, obviously, because it has the biggest battery. You get more real estate when you're texting, emails, anything. You can literally do it on the phone, on the watch, because it's just so much real estate right here. So I just wanted to give you a quick follow up. This watch is the one, man. Like, this is the one that you should probably be looking at if you have one of the previous generation watches. I know that it's $400, but I think it's worth, like, it's $399 for this version right here, but it's $350 for this one. So I mean, I think spend the extra $50 and get the 45 millimeter. It's not that big. I mean, you see how it is next to this watch. That's just the framing of this watch, but ultimately it's the same in here. So I think if you're a Pixel owner, you deserve this watch right here. Nothing against the 41. I got it. You know what I'm saying? I haven't cracked it open yet, but it's ultimately the same as my 1 and my 2. So I think that you deserve this incredible battery life. You deserve the better screen, the size, everything. If you got the 1 and the 2 in the previous generations, I think you should. I just think you'll be much happier with this because the battery life is really good. A little bit more real estate goes a long way. So quick follow up. This watch definitely can probably do 2 days, but I don't think it'll ever do 3 days at all. I don't think it can do it. Google doesn't claim 3 days either. They claim up to 24 and up to 36, but I feel like it can do probably a full 2 days, and then it'll die. So it's your man Jay. If you guys enjoyed, quick update on the Pixel Watch 3 45 millimeter. This thing is a hit. I like it a lot. I really do. I just got to find a band now. So remember, if you know of any bands, third party, hit it up in the comment. Let me know what you recommend, and I'll go ahead and I'll check them out. It's your man Jay. If you guys enjoyed, Pixel Watch 3 45 millimeter.